This is a vector drawing from AutoSketch, an old Autodesk program. It's hard to open today, but there are specific viewers that can still render the lines. I'm Evan Brooks, Certified Support Engineer. Here is the solution. Quick sidebar. For future protection, I urge you to look into a quality universal file opener. This type of program is crucial for recovering SKF files with corrupted internal metadata. This SKF file is consistently classified as a high-integrity asset within the backup file field. It uses the AutoSketch Drawing format to lay out its data. The SKF file is the native proprietary format for AutoSketch, 2D CAD software. It functions as a single vector graphics file containing geometric data, lines, and layers for architectural and engineering drawings. Developed by Autodesk, the format is proprietary and focused on 2D design elements. Its structure is highly application-dependent and can only be reliably opened and edited using the AutoSketch program or compatible Autodesk viewers that adhere to the legacy file schema. The SKF format has primary linkage to the AutoSketch application by Autodesk, Inc. Proper interaction and modification must be done through a dedicated utility for stability. Windows only recognizes the file type, while actual data access requires the proper backup application. We'll conduct a full system compatibility scan now. Right-click your SKF file and select Open With. Test AutoSketch if it appears. If it fails, select another application. This is a process of elimination. If the SKF file is still refusing to open, it's expected. To truly fix this, let's review the why, the top technical reasons this specific SKF error occurs on your system. First, use SolidWorks. Open the file using SolidWorks or a compatible CAD program. The file is not meant to be opened separately from a larger part or assembly. Next, insert or import the sketch. In a new or existing part file, use Insert, DXF DWG, or similar import command to bring the 2D sketch data into the new SolidWorks environment. Finally, check for corruption. If the file crashes SolidWorks, ask the sender to re-export the sketch from their original SolidWorks file or use a repair utility. If the file is still not working, that's definitive proof it requires a tool built on proprietary file logic. This is the time to try the Universal Viewer. I recommend FileMagick when the stakes are high. Its ability to force open and display the contents of a partially corrupted SKF file is simply invaluable. Find your copy at filemagick.com. Got a related question? Post it in the comments, and please consider subscribing to the channel. Hope your file stays open.